Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. In this video, we're going to look at how you can optimize software performance. We'll look at some of the tried and trusted techniques of how you can develop high-performance systems. Let's go ahead and take a look. Optimizing software performance is crucial for user experience, resource efficiency, and system scalability. It applies to web applications, enterprise systems, and mobile apps. The goals include improving speed, reducing resource usage, and increasing responsiveness. Key techniques involve algorithm optimization, database tuning, and code profiling. The foundation of software performance depends on the choice of algorithms and data structures. Analyze algorithm complexity using Big O notation and aim for better time complexity. Switching from linear to binary search can significantly boost performance for large datasets. Linear search has O of n complexity, while binary search has O of log n. Code profiling and benchmarking are crucial for identifying performance issues and comparing algorithms. Selecting the right data structure is crucial. Use hash tables for fast lookups and binary trees for sorted data. Profiling can identify slow database queries, suggesting optimization or indexing. Database performance is crucial for software speed, especially in data-driven applications. Profiling tools help identify performance bottlenecks by measuring time spent on different code sections. Use tools like cProfile for Python, Visual VM for Java, and browser developer tools for web applications. Benchmarking measures execution time to establish a baseline and compare performance after optimizations. Efficiently manage database connections by reusing them, reducing the need to create new ones. Network communication can be a major performance bottleneck, especially for web and distributed applications. To optimize database performance, use indexes on frequently queried columns, simplify and optimize SQL queries, and cache frequently accessed data using tools like Redis or Memcached. To optimize web application performance, use a CDN for static assets to reduce latency and improve load times. Efficient memory management and garbage collection are also crucial, especially for resource-limited applications. To optimize API performance, minimize requests by combining them or using batch processing. Compress data with formats like gzip to reduce transfer time. Use asynchronous requests to avoid blocking the main thread and improve responsiveness. To optimize garbage collection, fine-tune settings in managed memory languages like Java and C# to balance performance and memory usage. Leveraging parallelism and concurrency allows software to execute multiple tasks simultaneously, improving throughput. To manage memory usage effectively, avoid memory leaks by freeing unused objects and minimizing allocations. Use memory profiling tools like Valgrind and Memory Profiler to identify excessive memory usage. Task queues like Celery and RabbitMQ help distribute tasks across multiple workers. Caching mechanisms reduce data retrieval times and improve performance. Multi-threading allows multiple tasks to run in parallel, ideal for CPU-bound operations. Asynchronous programming is best for I/O-bound tasks, avoiding main thread blocking and enhancing responsiveness. To optimize performance, implement server-side caching for query results, API responses, and computations. Use client-side caching with browser caching and headers to minimize server requests. Employ distributed caching systems like Redis or Memcached for frequently accessed data. To optimize code performance, avoid expensive operations like nested loops and frequent I/O calls. Additionally, use efficient libraries and frameworks by choosing lightweight and optimized options. To optimize code, remove unnecessary code, use lazy loading to reduce initial load time, and minimize loops and recursive calls to avoid excessive iterations or stack overflows. Ensure you regularly update libraries to use the latest versions. benefiting from performance improvements and bug fixes. Additionally, implement lazy evaluation and pagination for better performance. To avoid performance overhead in libraries, be cautious of unnecessary features and complex abstractions that can slow down performance. Efficient data handling can be achieved through lazy evaluation and pagination. Lazy evaluation loads data only when needed, avoiding large preloads. Pagination displays subsets of data, loading more on demand. In summary, optimizing software performance involves improving algorithm efficiency, database optimization, memory management, and reducing network latency. By eliminating bottlenecks, leveraging parallelism, and using caching, developers can enhance user experiences. Regular profiling, code reviews, and continuous testing ensure lasting optimizations, resulting in scalable and robust software. Well, that's it for this video. I hope it's giving you some good ideas about how to approach issues with performance in software systems. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks again, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye for now.